You hear that? That's the sound of quiet comfort. Experience superior cooling performance with a quieter operation with the new GE Profile RVAC. With a range of models and features to choose from, there's a perfect RVAC for everybody. Our models offer a choice of black or white shrouds, so the AC will blend in perfectly with your roofline. Our GE Profile RVAC enhances your comfort with efficient cooling without sacrificing tranquility. Not only will you have superior cooling performance, but with our industry-leading heat pump technology, you can stay comfortable in any climate. Our heat pumps work in temperatures as low as 25 degrees, where competitors' models quit working at 40. We also provide a 2-year transferable warranty, so upgrade your RV with GE Profile RVAC and stay comfortable no matter where your travels take you. For more information on our range of RVACs, please check out our website.